Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to log in automatically in Windows 7. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers on my channel. Thank you for supporting, watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. This is applicable also in newer version of Windows. One of the interesting things about using Microsoft Windows is that it is a secure operating system. Most of the time when we turn on our computer, it will ask for password. Now, some people find it very annoying. So if we want to have automatically log in Windows, we use this following command. In this example, I'm using Windows 7. Let us go to run and then net plvis. Okay, so what is net plvis? It will allows us to go to the user account in Windows. In this case, I have here my account is Jacob. So let us go to advanced menu. We have here the checkbox. User must enter a username password to use this computer. We simply uncheck this one and then we apply, and then it will ask for password for the account of username Jacob, and then we apply it and okay. When we restart our computer, there's no longer way that it will ask for password or username. It will automatically log in Microsoft Windows 7. That's it guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.